Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to export video in 4K in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Wondershare Filmora application from their website. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have in the left side of the screen, we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And we also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, split screen, and the export button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and export a video in 4K in Filmora. First of all, what we need to do to actually have a video to export is drag and drop a video into Filmora. So click on a video you want. I'll be using a sample video and drop it in Filmora. Now you need to go and drop it to the timeline. And now guys, you can go and export it. You can see that the export button was gray, now it's green. So now what you need to do is go and click on the export button. And now guys, you need to go into settings to actually change it to 4K. So click on settings, go to resolution, and here guys, you need to go and put the 4K resolution here. After that, go and click OK, click export, and your video will be start exporting. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it, as I said, informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.